The 2000 to 2005 Buick LeSabre uses GM's Passkey 3 anti-theft system. It requires a programmed transponder key to start the car. Each key contains a unique RFID chip that must match the vehicle's immobilizer module. If you've lost all your keys, DIY programming is possible, but risky. Without a working key, you'll need an OBD2 scanner, a transponder programmer, and blank keys. The process involves entering programming mode by cycling the ignition multiple times, then inputting new key codes. Be aware that incorrect steps can lead to permanent immobilization and may necessitate professional intervention. To program a new key when all keys are lost, first use an OBD2 tool to enter programming mode. Connect the tool to the vehicle's OBD2 port located in the dashboard. This involves cycling the ignition switch rapidly, turning it on and off 10 times within 10 seconds to activate the programming sequence. Next, use a transponder primer to input new key codes or clone an existing transponder chip. This device writes the necessary data to the blank key. This process often requires accessing the body control module or engine control module. If the immobilizer is locked, you may need to solder connections or replace the module entirely. Soldering involves carefully connecting wires to the circuit board to bypass or reprogram the immobilizer system. Risks include permanently damaging the engine control module, known as bricking it, which can lead to costly repairs or replacement. While DIY methods are cheaper at around $50 to $200 for tools and parts, compared to $150 to $400 for professional service, the success rate is only about 65%. Always consider consulting a professional locksmith or mechanic to avoid potential complications and ensure proper programming.